Here in the wilds of our kitchen, we find ourselves amidst a group of colorful gummy bears. They appear calm, but never underestimate a bear. Careful, son. Sudden movements may cause them to disappear. And just like that, the population control is down by 1.
So these guys actually come in a bunch of different colors, so we're going to see which one tastes the best.
For scientific purposes, of course.
You've already eaten 6.
Yeah, the research is going really well.
So these guys are soft and chewy and have a really nice flavor.
And thankfully, they're not so tough that you have to immediately go see a dentist.
That's not how dentist appointments work.
Stop fact-checking me.
Are you going to share any of those?
Apparently, in nature, only the strongest survive. And the fastest. These gummy bears right here, perfect for date nights, movie nights, road trips, and apparently keeping you dead soylent for 30 seconds.
Should we release that one back in the wild?
Son, I'm afraid it's too late for this one. This one's a goner. The gummy bears are extinct.